Hello everyone, I Anirudh Singh Chauhan welcome you to this tutorial of installing Flask. So to install Flask, first we should have Python and pip installed in our system. So first let's check that out. So we will open command prompt, check for Python version. So we have Python 3.8.8 installed, and now let's check for pip. So we have pip 20.2.3 installed in our system. So now let's move to install Flask. We can directly install Flask by using pip command. Pip install Flask. So it started downloading the packages and you have Flask installed, successfully installed in your system. Now let's check for this, that it's importing in Python or not. So as it's not throwing any error, so we can assume that the Flask is successfully installed in our system. Exit. Now let's make a small program out of it. So we will go to Flask documentation. Here we have installation and quick start. So we have installed it. Now let's move to quick start. Here's a small program for Flask. Let's copy this. I will create a new folder. Flask. Add a new Python file to it. So after we have installed this, we will just add a single line app.run debug equals to true. Let's save it and now run it. So we will have a Flask running on this address. We will copy this, go to a Google Chrome, paste this. So we have printed hello world on our web page successfully. And thanks for watching this tutorial. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to it.